Hello everyone. Today I will answer these questions. Is IELTS reading harder in 2026? Are answers still in order? And why are students suddenly losing marks in matching questions? In this video, I'll show you the real changes with actual examples so you can avoid common mistakes. So let's start. Let's be very clear. There is no official change in IELTS reading format in 2026. You still have 3 passages, 40 questions, and 60 minutes. But what has changed is how the test is designed. Most IELTS tests are now computer-based. What does that mean for you? You can highlight text, scroll passages, copy answers faster, but also you can't easily scan with your fingers like paper. You need to manage your reading speed on the screen, so you should practice on screen. Let's look at an example to understand why matching headings it looks or seem harder. Here is a paragraph, and you have to match the heading with one of the options given. Paragraph is: many researchers once believed sleep was a passive state. However, recent studies show that brain remains highly active, performing essential memory consolidation. Options are A. The history of sleep research, B. Sleep as an active process, and C. Causes of sleep disorders. You can pause, read this small passage, and choose the best option. And let me know which option you chose. You can write your answer in comments, A, B, or C. Did you choose A? The correct answer is B. Many people choose A because they look at the word researcher and they think that the option is A. The correct answer is B, sleep as an active process. Because it's not just about the keywords, it's about the main idea. So the new trend is that IELTS focuses on the main idea, not just keywords. Next change is matching information confusion. These questions are showing up more often and are getting trickier. Here is an example. Question is, which paragraph mentions a failed experiment? The paragraph might say, initial trends did not produce the expected results. That means the experiment has failed. No exact word like failed, but you need to understand how paraphrasing works. You should also know the synonyms of the common words. I have made a video on 97 words, 3 synonyms for each word. I will share the link in description. Please check that out. The words are often changed, or you can say that synonyms are used. For example, the question is, the company reduced costs by cutting staff. Text might say the organization minimized expenses through workforce reductions. Reduced cost is same as minimized expenses, or cutting staff equals to workforce reductions. If you only look for exact keywords, you will miss the answer. Students often say there isn't enough time anymore. Why? Because matching questions take a bit longer, passages require deeper understanding. For example, instead of reading just one word, now you need to read 3 or 4 sentences to understand the meaning. Let's clear some confusions with examples. There is one confusion that answers are not in order, while the truth is that MCQs, true false, are still mostly in order. However, matching questions are not in order. There are no new question types. The myth is that reading is impossible now, while the truth is it's the same test, but now it rewards real understanding. So, what you must do to ace the IELTS exams? If you're preparing for 2026, do this. Practice paraphrasing daily. Focus on main ideas, not just words. Train on matching questions and practice on computer screen. So here is the truth. IELTS reading did not change officially, but the game has changed. Old tricks, if they could get you band 6, a smart strategy can get you band 7 or even higher. If you want, I can make the next video on exact strategy to solve matching headings in 2 minutes. Comment matching if you want me to do that. Thank you for watching. Take care and bye.